What is the primary function of white blood cells? Fight infections. What type of energy is produced by the movement of electrons? Electrical energy. What does a voltmeter measure? Voltage. What does recycling aim to do? Reuse materials. Which process in the water cycle involves water seeping into the ground? Infiltration. Which gas contributes most to the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. What property is defined as mass per unit volume? Density. What is the term for the wear and tear of rocks by wind or water? Erosion. What are Saturn's rings made of? Ice and rock particles. Which is the first thing a newly hatched caterpillar usually eats? Eggshell.